Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: a sealed container, gloves, a spatula, and a verification token to identify Eve. Go to the last known location. Locate her during a quiet moment so you can ask or interact without interruption. Once there, present the token and confirm consent. This saves time and prevents conflict. Make sure to keep the container ready. You will need to act quickly when Eve offers or yields the paint, because delay increases the chance of spills or refusal. You proceed to the extraction. Request permission with a concise prompt, then position the container beneath the paint source. Use the spatula to lift from the edge inward. This reduces clumps and keeps consistency even. Once you have a small amount, pause and transfer it into the container in 2 or 3 controlled motions. This prevents splatter. After each transfer, pat the surface gently so the remainder settles. Repetition ensures you capture usable paint without contaminating the rest. You finish by sealing the container tightly and labeling it with date and color code so you can identify it later. Clean your spatula and cloth quickly with the recommended solvent within 15 minutes because paint hardens fast and ruins tools. If paint resists lifting, apply gentle warmth or a thin compatible solvent to soften it, then try again on a small area. This prevents damage. If nothing works, step back and ask Eve for a refill or guidance to avoid forcing the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.